Show. The talk show that cuts through the noise and gets to the heart of what matters in media and information. I'm your host, Angel Sophia Silanchan, and I'm here to explore how media shapes our world, impact our decisions, and influence our future. Let's dive in. In a world full of endless information, how do we know what's real and what's not? That's the question we tackle on Media Matters. Join me as I dissect the headlines, challenge the narratives, and empower you to become a savvy consumer of media. Let's start the conversation. So I'm with my guests.
I am Jersey Colin Polos.
And I'm Jamaica Marigo de la Torre.
So how are you feeling today?
I'm good.
I am so good. I am so nervous to answer this all questions.
Alam mo ba kung bakit nasasaktan ka? Iniisip mo kasi na gusto ka rin niya, kahit na hindi naman talaga. Ikaw lang ang umaasa at nasasaktan sa pagpupumilit sa sarili mo na mahalin ka din niya kahit na wala ka naman talaga pag-asa.
Let me ask you both first. In your own opinion, what is media and information literate individual all about?
A media and information literate individual is someone who can effectively assess, evaluate, use, great information. This involves understanding media rules, critically analyzing information and using it responsible for informed decision, cycling, adjustment, and lifelong learning in places like Davao, Philippines. These skills are crucial for navigating social media and combating misinformation.
How about you?
In my own opinion, a media information individual can effectively and evaluate, use, and create information using various media. They understand the role of media information in society, make informed decisions, and engage critically with information.
That's great. Thank you for sharing your own opinion. Now, let's begin with our next question. How can this help you as an individual or as a student?
Understanding. Media helps me as a student to filter information, share responsible, and learn effectively in digital world.
That's great. Thank you for answering the question. Now, let me ask you, for you, is there any negative effect as a student?
Yes, over-reliance on media and information literacy skills may lead to study challenges such as information overload, critical paralysis, increased cynicism, and information of echo chambers, potentially hindering efficient learning and decision and making processes.
Thank you. Lastly, what is the importance of media and information literate individual for you?
Media literacy empowers individuals to navigate information critically, fostering informed decisions and responsible digital engagement.
Pag kailangan ng gamot, huwag mahihiyang magtanong.
Kung may right med ba nito? May right med ba nito? Pag may kailangang gamot, huwag maiyang magtanong. Kung may right med ba nito?
Ang Right Med ay premium na gamot na kayang bilhin.
Dahil gusto namin na gumaling kayo.
Kaso may nalimos na lola. So, hinatian niya. Diwata pala si lola.
Dahil busilak ang iyong puso, isang kahilingan.
Sagot si kuya. Sports car! Yulet! Half fita, half kotse.
Balikan ng tamis alat sarap ng Fita. Balikan ng sarap.
Bagong biyak na buko, ang sarap nito, Nesfruta Buko, why not?
Coconut.
Buko masarap, made with real fruit juice, Nesfruta Buko, why not? Coconut. Buko masustansya, rich in vitamin C, Nesfruta Buko, why not? Coconut. No artificial color, real na real. Kitang real, lasang real na buko. Nesfruta Buko, real na real ito. Also available in mangosteen.
Bing bang ding, ding ding bang, bam bam bang, bing bang ding, bing bang ding, bam bam.
Ako si Mr. Bayong, walang takot sa putik. Astig ako di mahuhuli, kaya damit laging puti. Putik! Mahirap nang paputiin to!
Gulat ka, no? Sa Tide 6, konting kusot lang, todo puti na. Todo puti.
Sa Tide mananyan.
Thank you for participating and sharing your opinion. It's a pleasure to meet you guys.
And thank you also for sharing our questions.